we're starting with, to finish the review, number 19. So this should be a 19. And again, the first number, you're going to have to align some on the test. The first number goes on top. So put your 763 minus the 455. And since they both have 3, you don't need to do it in reverse. So minus 455. While you're writing that down, I really need to get a pen. I need a pen. All right, I don't want to do it in red, but it's going to show it better than what I've got. All right, so let's go ahead and start this one. Can I take 3 minus 5?
No.
No, so I have to do what?
Borrow.
Borrow. We're getting it from?
6.
Which becomes a 5. Okay, then. Here, by the way, here's another way you can do this. I want to mention it. I think I mentioned it yesterday. But instead of going up 5 to 10, I could go 10 minus 5, which is still the same thing. It's 5 plus that 3. So who knows the difference of 13 minus 5?
It's 8.
It is 8. Good job. Okay. And then 5 minus 5 is?
0.
0. 7 minus 4 is?
3.
3. And double check, make sure it's there. Okay. Then we'll set up the next one, which is, which one goes on top? The first one. So put it on top. And there's my crease. I'm going to put it right in the middle. 3, 4, 1. Okay, the humming, please, because that means you're not focusing. I'm going to put it, hold on a second. So this is number 20. All right. Okay, are we ready to go? Yes. Yes, ma'am.
You forgot to put 308 on number 19.
Oh, she's saying on the worksheet itself. Yeah, go ahead and put thank you, ma'am. And I will remember that in just a few minutes. Put 308. And then are we ready for this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Can I take, but okay, please don't shout at the answer. It's not the answer, it's the process. We need to make sure that we know how to do it. So can I take a small number minus a big? No, so we have to pre-borrow and, well,
It's 7.
and so we take it from the what?
4.
The 4, which becomes a 3. And then 10 minus 4, well, in fact, I'm going to add up. 4 to 10 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. Good job. 3 minus 2?
1.
3 minus 1?
2.
Good job. And then let's find our answer, and at the same time we find our answer, let's put it right here. Okay, girls and boys, you have to be focused, please. Then on the number 21, 532 minus 235. So the first one goes on top. And when you're writing it on, oh, and I put it one up, but it's okay, is when you're writing it on your own, you can afford a little bit of space in between. They don't have to be all squished together. Third grade, so until 11:45. Alrighty. Are we ready? Okay, shh. The rest of you who are, let's quiet down. Yes, ma'am.
How to use the foundations for 8th grade for
Yep.
the answers.
For the 8th grade. There you go. Okay. Alrighty, so here we go. Can we take 2 minus 5?
No.
What do we have to do? hold on a second. So we have to borrow and getting it from the 3, which becomes a 2. Okay. So before I say anything, figure out in your head what 12 minus 5 is.
7.
Good job. So again, 5 to 10 is 5, plus 2 more is 7. Then, can I take a small number minus a big one?
No.
So we have to pre-borrow again. So we made it a 12. We're getting it from here. And that becomes a what? No. This becomes a, you have to do this first before you do anything. And then, this is going to be 9. And by the way, I could count up 3 to 10 is 7, plus 2 more, which is 9. Or if this were a 13, 13 minus 3 would be 10, but it's 1 less. So instead of 10, it would be 9. 4 minus 2 is 2. Good job. Okay, then it's probably one I did not write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me make sure my numbers are right. 532 minus 235. This is the correct answer. And by the way, since I mentioned that, this might be a bonus. To check this, if I wanted to check it to see if it's right, then in fact, go ahead and put this next to this. To check it, I would take my answer and I would add it back to this number. I'm going to take my answer and I'm going to add it back to this. We add it back. So we're doing the opposite of this. We're doing the opposite of subtraction. And then when I get done, I should get 532. So I take my answer because we didn't see the mixed up answer. So this is how we can check it. So now we go back and add it. 5 and 5 is 10. Plus how many more? Plus 2 more is 12. Then that's a 10. And 3 is what? Is a 13. Carry. And then what's that last row?
5.
Anna Victoria's mom is here to pick up her work. She said she sent an email.
I did. I'm going to send it to her in the email. Okay, well, hold on a second. I guess I can. It's easier for me to send it in email. Let's see. Now I have to stop my video. Hold on a second.